in the news.
We will not allow a few people who will not comply with our rules, with our laws, to put the lives of others in danger. Fiscal planning authorities, LAPCA, are going to be having a difficult time with me. And when they have a difficult time with me, you will know they will come on the street. This is fire that is happening too often, too many, and it is totally unacceptable. People put generators on top of roofs, on third floors of buildings, on fourth floors of buildings, and we have said that this is not acceptable. Totally unacceptable in residential houses. And we've seen the consequences of inaction. We've seen the consequences of us not being responsive and responsible. Thankfully, no lives have been lost, but you can see the amount of property that have been wasted. You can see the amount of people's assets, collateral damages that have been wasted. So this is a call to others outside there. Government will not shy away from its responsibility. We will come really hard, and I'm repeating, we will come really, really hard on structures, on properties that will not conform with our rules. We will bring them down. We will bring them down, and I'm saying it now. Anybody, because it's too much. And we're going to shut down this place for as long as it takes. For as long as it takes. And will be zero tolerance all around here. It's not by force that you have to treat. If you don't have a conducive environment, go look for something else. But when you are now destroying with your carelessness other people's property, we will not condone it. And so, gentlemen of the press, it's a very, very unfortunate incident, very condemnable, extremely unexpected. The amount and the quantum of damage that I've seen here, which is still even going on. Buildings right down there are still going to go down. And so please, I want you guys to work with us, so that when government now come out to do the right thing, which we always do, you guys can report accordingly, and see that we're not going to fold our hands and allow another one to happen. I will sit around and speak to the other stakeholders and hear what amount of support, what level of comfort, what level of support will be rendered to some of the people that have been affected, and we will try and see how we settle them very quickly and see how we can get them back on their feet. But this is an incident too often very, very condemnable and very unacceptable, because government resources are not meant to be wasted like this. But like I said, we're going to be coming hard and ensuring that the planning authority, the fiscal planning authority, the spaces that we have here, we will comply with them, no matter who it is. No matter who it is. We will do it, and we'll stand by our officers that are out there to do their job. Thank you very much.
And that's the news.